Good day everyone. Welcome to my channel. Add a new text and edit. Change text font to Obelix Pro and increase size. Change text color to a solid color and add stroke. Enable shadow and increase both axes to 3. Then increase text padding to 3 on both sides. Position text and lock layer. Import a circle shape and reduce its opacity to 20. Increase stroke width to 5 and blur radius to 10. Then crop shape and extend with fingers above the text. Use your fingers to position and make necessary adjustments until it fits. Lock all layers and save results. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.